On the cliffs overlooking Spokane Valley sits an estate. This estate, known as Arbor Crest, is a winery with award-winning wines that can be bought and sampled. This estate also includes a beautiful park-like property and is a wonderful facility to hold events. But did you know that this estate used to have a tram that went over the river? This is Kayla Gilmore, and you are watching Did You Know in History. The history of Arbor Crest goes back to 1924, when it was built by the inventor Royal Newton Riblet with the help of the architect George H. Keith. The main house was built with 3 stories in the Florentine style. He chose the cliff for his home because he saw the sight of volcanic rock overlooking the Spokane River and fell in love with the location. He nicknamed the estate Eagle's Nest because of the birds he viewed across the area taking shelter in the ponderosa pine trees. Riblet made multiple additions to his property after the completion of his Florentine-style mansion. He added an arched gatekeeper's house that was first built for the property's caretaker and was later used as a guest house. Riblet also added a swimming pool, a life-size checkerboard, gardens, a private airport, and even his brother Byron's tram to the sky that was installed in 1927. This tram was able to seat 5 passengers at a time and could carry them over the Spokane River. It had no moving cables, operator, or any winding drums, which was unheard of at the time. The tram was manually operated inside its compartment, and individuals could stop and go on the cables as they pleased. The tram ran until 1945 and then was later removed. Riblet and his 7th wife, Mildred, opened their home to all visitors early on, and it became a popular location for guests to roam, enjoy its beauty, as well as its activities. Eventually, after receiving over 7,000 guests in 8 years, the couple began discouraging casual sightseers with a sign stating, "Friends welcome anytime, others welcome by appointment." Riblet was a Spokane legend. He loved tinkering and inventing and received over 20 original patents during his lifetime. One of his most recognized inventions was the square wheel tractor. This new wheel design gained international recognition, as well as interested the United States Army. The shape of the tractor's wheel increased traction and reduced soil erosion. Its track-laying wheels included 16 segments surrounded by drive wheels. 3 segments of the wheel always lay flat on the ground. In 1943, the U.S. Army tested out Riblet's square wheels to see if they could be suitable to use in wartime transportation. They found the design to be exactly what they needed, but World War II ended before the Army began implementing Riblet's design. Even with all his new ideas, many of his ideas never came to fruition. Royal Riblet, after a long life of coming up with new ideas and creating new possibilities in his workshop, Riblet died of pneumonia in 1960 at the age of 88. His property stayed in the hands of his family until 1985, when the estate was sold to Arbor Crest wine cellars and became a National Historic Landmark. The winery hosts 35,000 guests annually who are searching for wine tasting, special events, or just wanting to learn more about the Riblet legend. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!